So if you're watching this video, you've probably seen like a million Mac setup videos specifically catered towards productivity. But what I want you to take away from this is that not everything needs to be aimed towards productivity. And I think my setup is kind of like the complete antithesis of that. And so what did I need? Kind of just taking a look. This is what my desktop looks like when I turn it on. So it's just basically a bunch of widgets. And so up here I just have like a video, and then just a couple other widgets, just some designs and photos that I found kind of interesting. I really like eyes, so I kind of have these like two eyes here, although that doesn't particularly matter for this video. And basically I think we kind of get caught up in like this whirlpool of productivity advice, and I think at first it's kind of like sounds all nice and good, download this app or use this app and you'll see like 2x 5x gains in your productivity. And yeah, that might be true maybe for like the first week, but then after that you're kind of like, well, I have a million apps on my Mac and I'm only using maybe like 3 of them. And so I think what I like to do is kind of just, my Mac is my Mac, so I get to do with it whatever I want. And if you want to go for aesthetics, that's honestly like perfectly fine. That's basically what I've kind of gone for. I've gone for a mix of like aesthetics and productivity. And apart from my desktop, there are like a couple apps that I use like daily, just for a lot of stuff. So the first one's called Helium, and so this one's used, this is just like a lightweight browser. It's like an alternative to Chrome, and if you've seen everything that's gone on with like what Google has done with search, or what they plan on doing with search, making the switch to Helium was pretty good. I've been using it for I think around like 2.5 months, so it's been pretty good. And basically what I use for these widgets, which is probably why you clicked on this video, the Mac app is called Widget Wall. And so when you open it, you're basically greeted with this interface. They have like a bunch of stuff, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show how I added the video up here and then these other photos as well. So just come here. So for video, you just click here. So at first it's going to show that there's nothing there, but if you click on these 3 dots up here, you can change the source. So I just have everything in like my files. And so if you click browse, basically you have to just open up your Finder and then you can import a video that you have saved. And this basically also works for photos as well. So just open it again. Basically you just scroll down, get to photos, click the plus icon. It should just give like a default, but then you come up here, change the source again, just depending on where it is. And then you click browse, basically you just click on whatever photos you have. And so that's basically what I've done. And yeah, these are just from Pinterest. Like I use Pinterest quite a lot. So yeah, basically all these are from there. And the good thing is that these are, I wouldn't say they're constantly changing, but if I'm feeling like just using a different photo or like a different video, you can just swap it up like pretty easily. And then also you can just like move them around if you want. I won't move them now just because I kind of like how they are. But yeah, that's basically it. I think the main takeaway is that, it's your Mac, it's your laptop. Customize it however you want. All these people that are telling you that you need to have like a ultra minimal or like a maximalist setup, they're kind of like to you. But yeah, hope you liked it. Okay, bye.